Hello everyone, welcome to Guide Hub. In this episode, I'm going to guide you on how to log into DHgate account. If you already have the application on your phone device, you can simply go on the app and log in. But for this video, I am going to show you how to log in from your PC. Now, make sure you open your preferred browser. Here I am opening Google. Now on the search bar, you can simply search dhgate.com. You will be lead to the official homepage of DHgate account. Now at the right corner, you can see the option join or sign in. You have to click over there. If you are not registered to your DHgate account, then you can simply click on register and register for your DHgate account. But as we already are registered, we are simply going to sign in. So we will click on sign in. Now here you can write down your email address or your password. After you are done writing your email address or password, you can simply click on sign in. And in case you have forgotten your password, you can simply click on forget password and they will help you to get your password back. Not only this, but you can also sign in with your Facebook or Google. For this video, we will be signing up from Google. You have to simply click on the Google icon. Here you will be provided your Google account. You have to simply click over there. Now again you have to simply click on continue. Now you can see that I'm logged into my DHgate account with the help of Google. A confirmation text may come to your Google account, so make sure to check it. And this is how simply you can log into your DHgate account. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.